All right, guys, so this is the example that you just saw him do, but in case it was confusing, I'm going to show you how to do it using WKU and the cross multiplication that we've been doing in class. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and set up our WKU. You guys know this stands for words known, unknown. So the question is asking us what percent. So we don't know what the percent is yet. We do know that we're trying to figure out of 15 is 12. Okay, of 15 tells us that this part is going to be our whole. And this right here is going to be our part. So our words are going to be part to whole. We know that 12 is the part of the 15, so our 12 is going to go on top. Our 15 is going to go on bottom. Now for our unknown, we know that all percents are out of 100. That's our whole. And we don't know what the percent is yet, so we are going to put an X. All right, next, to solve for X, we need to figure out, okay, maybe there's a way that we can multiply 15 to get to 100, but I don't know that off the top of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So we want to multiply across here. So 12 times 100, which gives me 1200. And then we also want to multiply across here, giving me 15x. So we have now 15x equals 1200. I don't have one x by itself, so I'm going to divide on both sides, giving me x by itself here. Then I need to do this math. So 1200 divided by 15. Okay, 15 cannot go into 1. It cannot go into 12. It can go into 120, but I don't know how many times, so I'm going to figure out. So let's see, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, and then I think it's 120. So let's make sure. 15 times 8, 40, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 does give me 120. So this right here gives me 8, 120, drop down your 0, giving me 80. So your final answer, like you just saw in the problem, is that x equals 80%. Make sure you have this on your paper, and then you're going to move on to another example.